guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this awesome double exposure video edit on CapCut PC. So select a video or photo of like your silhouette. To make the silhouette, I think you have the flashlight going from the back of your like frame, I guess. That's how silhouette happens. And just get a white background. It's easier that way, and select any video that you want like on top and just go to blend mode and select the screen button, and you'll have this really cool double exposure video edit. Okay, sorry. And you can basically replace it with any video that you want. For instance, I want this galaxy one. You can again just select screen, and it's as simple as that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!